little walkabout of the TS50 before the sun gets too high and washes out the video. I thought I'd try to sneak this in here real quick. I am using a handheld camera, so it won't be quite as steady as what you might be typically used to, but you'll have to bear with me. Left side of the bike, obviously, you can see there, moving a little bit closer for you. You can see the controls. The speedometer is original. I just cleaned it up. The chrome has all been redone. That's all new, the chrome, with the exception of the fuel cap. That's, I think, stainless steel, and I just cleaned that up. Reproduction seat cover. That license plate that you can see there is a NOS, never been issued Michigan plate. I live in Michigan, obviously. And I bought that new. It wasn't very expensive at all. I think I paid $16 for that. Still in the paper sleeve. You can try to look that number up and you won't find it because it's never been issued. It never will be. It'll stay with this bike now. Thought it'd be just a finishing touch. Moving around here to the right side. Exhaust system is original, just been painted. New reflectors, aftermarket. Pull up here a little bit so you can see what's going on here. Most of the components are original. Some things aren't, but most of it is. You can see my camera stand in the corner there to the right, but I decided to do this by hand. And we're back around to the left side. You see the sun, I think, is starting to come up now. This is the final video in the video series of restoring the Suzuki TS50. Hard to believe it's been over 3 years since I started on this project. I brought the bike home in mid-July of 2021. This is now early autumn or fall of 2024. Got distracted in the middle with some other projects. That's why it took me so long. Typically, a project of this size and type, year, maybe 18 months to do a full restore like you saw me do on this project. But it's done for all practical purposes. There are a few little odds and ends that I have to tidy up yet, but I consider it done, so I'm not going to shoot any more video on this project. In terms of what's next, well, I've got a Kawasaki F5 1971 350 Bighorn that I think I'm going to sell, so I might bring it up onto the stand and go through and clean it up, make sure everything's okay before I sell it. And then after that, my next major project is probably going to be the restoration of an early 50s South Bend heavy lathe, heavy 9, or heavy 10 rather, I should say, for those of you that know what a South Bend lathe is. Never done a lathe before, and I thought it'd be an interesting project. It's something a little different from motorcycles. I've done 7 full frame-off restorations of motorcycles in the last 10 or 12 years or so, and I just want to do something different. Not done with motorcycles, but want to, just spread a little bit in my wings and try something else. So again, that's going to be a wrap for this video and this series on the TS50. Any issues, questions, thoughts, drop me a note. Otherwise, as usual, thanks for watching.